So what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to talk about Palantir. Yeah, the stock exploded 31%. Crazy. The stock continues to go parabolic. It doesn't want to go down. This stock has so much attention that people sees it as a buying opportunity. We don't know where the top is going to be at in Palantir. I was going to keep it a buck. I don't know. Every time you turn around, right now in Palantir, the market is going higher. So much so that he even created a massive gap. Now, before I break down this video, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my content. I'm here to dispel the notion that trading, investing is hard, that is complicated. I give you all the news according to other people's emotions, whether they're fearful, whether they're being greedy. Everyone's emotion is being dictated and shown reflected off of price charts, right? That's why it's so important for us to look at price charts only. There's nothing wrong with listening to other people. There's nothing wrong with reading what other people have to say. But it becomes wrong when you listen and you read and you see what other people are producing and it doesn't match with what the chart is reflecting. All right? That's where we come in and we don't push what other people are saying, or we don't push what other people are doing, because there will be at times a disconnect between what they're doing versus what the chart is reflecting. So we place our trust in price charts. Now, will there be times to where offside events occur that the market doesn't expect? Yes, of course, it happens. But more than likely, all of the market participants, when you combine everyone's emotions, it lines up with the expectation as to where price is going to go. That's all I'm going to say. Okay? You got to realize that we're playing in a game to where trillions of dollars of assets are being dispatched in hopes of bringing back more money. Okay? So people don't play with this game. They have created algorithms. They have created robots. They have market research techniques that's internal, that is proprietary, that they don't want out, because that is their vehicle that is able to bring in more money. So why would you expect the market to not tell you the truth? That's why I only show you charts. Yes, I can create videos that talks about and give you my opinions as to what a particular earnings report is going to reflect, what the CEO is saying. I can break down the accounting, the fundamentals of companies, but why? It's pointless. I break down the emotions of people. That's what we're all about. And by the market in Palantir creating this gap, when you place an emotional context on it, it means that people are overly bullish, that they cannot even agree on a price to trade in Palantir from the high of this daily price bar, which was at $84.25, to the low of this price bar, which is at $99.32. This is where there's a disconnect between buyers and sellers. They could not agree on price. That is what gaps mean. So guess what? I would expect at some point in time, I don't know, I'm not a fortune teller, but at some point in time, I would expect the price to fill that gap, because there's no agreement in that gap. And the market needs to create efficiency. And when you have gaps in charts, it shows you that people are confused on what the value of the stock should be. And the market cannot be efficient when it doesn't know what price should be for these instruments. Okay, I hope you guys are getting what I'm dropping, because I've been dropping this content for years now. So let's see, because apparently it's asinine for us to not think that Palantir is not bullish. It is. The conundrum that I'm at right now is I don't know how high this stock is going to go. I don't even know. But we did do a price prediction in Palantir right there on the 22nd of January, looking for the market to go higher, and it hit our ultimate TP price, 10.59% on the 31st. If you were still in the play though for Palantir, you'll be up 44.85% since our price prediction. Kudos, congratulations. Even for you who added this stock to your portfolio going all the way back to May of 2023, when the stock was $8. Here it is at 112. Fantastic. Now, we are seeing if inefficiencies occur more often in Palantir. Let me show you. Here, and then right here. So there's like 3 inefficiencies in this market in Palantir on the daily time frame. So I'm just saying, it seems like the stock won't ever come down, but the market sees these inefficiencies. It sees these gaps. Here it is on the 2. Here's Palantir on the 3. Palantir on the 4. And on the 5. Like, I don't know what else to tell you. The stock is bullish. It's trading at all-time highs right now. And for that reason, I'm not going to drop a price prediction, but it's bullish. What else can you say? Look for price to go up. You have to make that determination as to how high you think it's going to go. Some people got different strategies, methods on how they create or suspect where price is headed. You guys let me know in the comment section, but this stock is bullish. I'm going to wait until I get some selling, some weakness to come in, and see this market in Palantir, if anything, hold this area right here. Okay. Now let me see this on the 330. Because we can actually, even though there's a gap on the daily, we can see the market in Palantir give us when the market wasn't open, officially open. We still can get these pockets though. Let me do this on a 3 one more time, and let's see if we get one right here. And here's one right there. So now back on the daily, you guys can see, even though there's a gap, we have these pockets right here. Okay. So I'm just going to create this chart, even though I'm not going to drop a prediction, but seeing price come down, testing one of these 3 pockets, that's where I would come in and look for an opportunity to jump on board on the prediction forecast to continue to look for the market to go up. But right now the market's too hot. So yeah, I'm done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts though. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.